On August long weekend 2019, myself and a friend completed an overnight hike to Alouette Mountain in the beautiful Golden Ears Provincial Park just north of Maple Ridge in British Columbia. The trail is about 12 kilometers with about a 1200 meter elevation gain. We're starting our hike near Mike Lake, right next to the park headquarters. And here's the start of the trail. So for starters, we have pretty well maintained flowy trail. We have matching t-shirts. Beautiful scenery, obviously. We've started on the Menzies Trail, which would have eventually kept us down in the valley. We should have taken the Eric Dunning Trail, shown in blue. After noticing our navigation error, we decided to take a shortcut.
We're on the Menzies Trail, which parallels the main road. We need to go up.
So we're just gonna cut through there. So here we are. A little bushwhacking. Whoa. So it's been about 15 minutes. Terrain is pretty unforgiving when you don't have a hiking path.
Hello again, we're almost at the trail. Just got to follow this creek bed up from where we are to the right. We should be on the trail that we should have taken. Well, shit. This looks like a trail.
So it's a lot better walking like this.
This is nice.
We are changing our trail. We've now arrived at the Alouette Mountain trailhead and decided to take a little break.
Hey, if you're gonna do it, be comfortable.
Exactly. So I just at the start of the trail and taking a little breaker. It's a little flowy, up and down. Actually, we're coming to sort of a little FSR here.
There you go.
Came from that way. Little viewpoint here. And we're going up Alouette. That's some sort of a ATV trail, a little gradual. Croy in the back. We arrive at a junction and we decide to take the trail on the left as it takes us to a lake named Beautiful Lake.
This one takes us to Beautiful Lake on the left.
This is a nice cool path. Also, there's some nice old growth here. Up to towards Beautiful Lake. We arrive at Beautiful Lake and decide to have our second break. a bit of a ladder here.
Just under 4 hours of hiking, 10.28 kilometers.
I think we reached some sort of ridge line. It's been a little up and then flat and then up again. And we can see blue skies ahead, so you know, it might be a little bit of a more climb, but now we're at some roots up the trail. We're not too far from the top, and we found a bit of a lake here. It's not flowing water. There is no flowing water around here. So we got a gravity filter and some other filters and boil the water and go like that. We have used up a lot of calories. Carrying the water back up this steep terrain calls for a late lunch. Putting the chairs out, we're gonna, it's about 4:30, closer to 5. We decided to have ourselves some dinner since we skipped lunch. We're almost at the top anyways, and we'll lighten the load of the bag. And, gonna have some coffee, and then we're on our way, hopefully, to the top. Set up camp there. Oh, and actually we are on the middle of the trail. Kind of gave up halfway up.
Water?
Oh, more water. We do have a bit of a climb here, so we got our poles in the back.
Yeah, insured mountain. Needle.
Dropped our packs behind this tree somewhere here.
And that's the official summit right there.
We're gonna set up camp, and since we're sleeping in hammocks, we need to find some trees to tie off of. Now morning, filling some water. Got, it's really good. And some coffee. Coffee. After breakfast and coffee, we pack up and clean our camp and start the descent back to Mike Lake. Go ahead. All right.
Good catch.
Been on our way for an hour and 4 minutes, and decided to eat some snacks and have some water. Yeah, terrain evened out pretty well, so it's a lot better on the knees. Took a little detour, different route, and seems like we are at the fire access road. On our way back down, we decided to take a different route wherever we had the chance. Yeah, it's probably a good one. All right, another shortcut done. Back to the main road, just up this hill here.
Break time. 10.5 to go. To the picnic table.
And we're back at the Alouette trail head, where we took our first break yesterday. So right about here we came up
From our own path. Shaved off 3 kilometers.
Yeah,
This is easy.
taking the long way now. Right, back to switchbacks. One kilometer mark.
Gotta watch those feet. Almost at the truck. The
Eric Dunning Trail. We still got a little bit to go back to the car. All right, we made it. Back to the truck.